sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today, the third son of Adam and Eve. At patuloy po rin po tayo sa ating Bible Character Edition. So, ang concept po natin for today, who is Seth? Seth, the God-appointed seed in a broken world. After Abel's death and Cain's rebellion, Seth was born as a God's gracious replacement. He was not just another child, he was God's appointed seed, showing that God's plan to restore humanity was still moving forward. Seth's life reminds us that even in a world full of sin and sadness, God provides hope and continues His redemptive work. Seth points forward to Christ, the ultimate seed who would come to save humanity from sin. At makita natin ito sa Genesis chapter 4 verse 25 to 26. Sabi dito, and Adam made love to his wife again, and she gave birth to a son and named him Seth, saying, God was granted me another child in replacement of Abel, since Cain killed him. Seth also had a son, and he named him Enos. At the time, people began to call the name of the Lord. At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic po natin for today. Magsisimula po tayo sa ating teaching na God's faithful provision. First teaching, God provides another messianic line through Seth. So, si Jesus, simula nang pinatay ng Cain si Abel, binuo niya ulit si Seth. At sa pamamagitan ni Seth, magkakaroon na ng messianic line through. So, sa ating second teaching naman, God preserves His plan even after tragedy. So, after all na nangyari, patuloy pa rin yung plano ng ating Panginoon sa kung ano yung mga gagawin niya. Sa ating third teaching naman, God prepares an appointed time to fulfill His promise. So, si Jesus, nagkaroon din siya ng time na kung saan i-fulfill niya lahat yun ng kanyang mga pangako para sa atin. Sa ating application naman, follow God's definite plan. So, kailangan natin palaging sumunod sa plano ng ating Panginoon. Sa ating second application naman, trust God's appointed time. So, maniwala tayo palagi sa kung ano yung panahon na ibinigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Sa ating third application naman, play your role as God's story. So, kailangan panindigan palagi yung ibinibigay sa ng Panginoon na role dito sa mundo. So, sa ating discussion, what is your role in God's story? Para sa akin, ang naging role ko sa story na ginawa sa atin ng Panginoon, yung binigay sa atin ng Panginoon, is ibigay lahat ng pananampalataya sa Kanya, i-share yung Kanyang word, and what is the meaning of Seth? Para sa akin, ang meaning ng Seth is panibagong buhay or panibagong pagkakataan. So, yun lang po for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.